Information to help you run your business better and improve your marketing campaigns. My name is Hank Hoffmeier, and thank you for joining me on Hank's Marketing and Business Tips. How many chat clients do you use, or maybe social media platforms? The more you use, the more opportunity to be disrupted in what you're doing. What you should do is make sure that you turn off notifications so you don't see them all the time, or have push notifications on your phone that will distract you from what you're currently working on, especially if it's project work. What you might want to do is turn off your Wi-Fi or your cellular service on either your laptop or your phone so that you can concentrate on doing things. Keep your messaging platforms to a minimum so that, again, you're not spread out, moving from app to app, and also getting a bunch of annoying notifications from different angles. If you focus, you'll succeed. If you become interrupted and sporadic, you'll make more mistakes, you'll have to do more work, and you will not be as successful as you can be. Streamline your day, plan your day, focus, and do what you need to do. Thank you for tuning in. If you'd like to hear previous episodes, go to hankhoffmeier.com/Alexa. You can subscribe on iTunes, Google Play, and also catch me on YouTube. Thank you.